The Fruit Ninja has a new weapon, fingernails! Your salad is done in seconds! Why does everyone hate it when the blue-eyed girl writes on the desk? Ah, so that's why! No! The blue-eyed girl's nails are super long. Sit right back down this instant. Stop hurting us! Cindy loves having short nails, so she files them every single night. It's neat and comfortable. The only problem is her nails grow super fast, and the next morning they are back to being claws. I need to get rid of them right now. Cindy mercilessly hacks her own nails down to the root. Not a single extra millimeter can survive. Phew, that's way better. Now my hands look dainty and sweet again. My coworker is deep in thought. Oh no, not that sound again. That nail tapping against the desk drives me crazy. It's like she's tapping into my brain. Stop! I hear that noise everywhere. In my sleep? What? Who's there? At home on the couch? Is that my neighbors? Gosh, I'm so paranoid. She's lightly tapping her nails again? Not for long. Does your head itch? Borrow your friend's hand. Ooh, that feels good. Thanks, blue-eyed girl. But wait, there's more. Turns out the blue-eyed girl is a multifunctional massager. Scratch my back with your claws. A little to the right. Ah, this is heaven. I think my friends are using me. Scratch some more, please. You are so sweet. Buttoning up your pants is hard when you have long nails. Come on, button, please. Just a little more. Phew, I did it. But now I need to do the zipper. Nails, help! Up, up, up! Yes! Victory! I did it! But next time, I'll just wear a dress. To get into the office, you need to scan your fingerprint. Oops, it's not working. Having long nails makes the process very difficult. Hey, somebody let me in. I'm Cindy from the department next door. But all the employees are horrified. Who's trying to get in? A monster? No way am I opening that door. Today is clearly not our day. If the chef has long nails, then you might find a surprise ingredient in your salad. Enjoy! This salad is super healthy. Is this a fingernail? Disgusting! That's weird. Why didn't he like my salad? Ah, my nail must have ruined his appetite. Oops! I was in such a hurry to get to my date that I forgot to do my makeup. Good thing he's running late. I can do my makeup in just 5 minutes, but I only have a lip pencil with me. That's okay. I'll use the lip pencil to line my lower eyelid and make winged eyeliner. Good thing I have short nails. They are perfect for doing makeup. Now I'll do my blush. I'll put the lip pencil on my cheekbones and lightly blend it in using my fingers. Then I'll do my lips. Now my quick makeup is all done. Honey, these are for you. You look adorable. The problem with long nails is that you can't do any gardening. Oh no, there's a whole pound of dirt under my nails again. I could plant a whole new set of flowers in here. A pie contest! The girls want to see who can make a prettier pie. Unfortunately, when it comes to shaping the crust, it's better to have short nails. The blue-eyed girl's long nails just leave big holes in the pie crust. So short nails win this contest. When you have long nails, you have to be really careful with delicate objects. Oh no! My sweet macaron! I pierced it to death! A nail wound right through the heart! But I'll eat it anyway, just like finger food. When you are scared to add too much salt to your salad, just use your nail as a measuring spoon. That's how much salt I need. Perfect! A girl with long nails is dangerous for public health. The blue-eyed girl had another nightmare, but the one who suffers the most is her boyfriend. Oh no! That blue-eyed Wolverine sliced me in her sleep again! I need a life hack! I'll connect all stabby, pokey, slicey objects with a cable tie. On her other hand, too. Phew! Now I can sleep in peace. What's wrong with my nails? Honey? Picking up cutlery is a real challenge when you have long nails. And eating with chopsticks is practically impossible. Good news! You can use your nails instead of chopsticks while nobody's watching you. Delicious! Oops! I won't distract you. Sorry! Bon appetit! Do you want to go out of your comfort zone, but the door isn't opening? The lock is jammed again? And now your will to live is at an all-time low? Chillax! Keep calm and order our universal nail key. It can open any lock, and you'll never lose it. The nail key is made out of thick titanium calcite and stainless nail steel. Comfort, minimalism, and built-in Wi-Fi. The nail key! Open any door! This is a crushing loss for all hands everywhere. The nail was still so young. It could have lived a long, fulfilling life. But alas, the closet of harsh reality was too strong. Why do the good die young? As soon as I decided to grow out a nail, it got killed by my closet. Oh no! Why? Farewell, my friend. Rest in peace in the fingernail graveyard. So, what's been up with you lately? Oh, I have so much tea to spill. You won't even believe it. Listen. So, the blue-eyed girl is telling her friend all about her life and gesturing so much. Standing next to her is getting dangerous. She is so expressive. Wow, she might poke someone's eye out or cut someone's cheek. She's like Edward Scissorhands. I'd better run while I can. Oops! Where's my friend? Hello? Anyone? I love watching cooking shows. They always inspire me. New recipes and kitchen life hacks. Maybe I can try a couple recipes? Oh no! The host has such short nails. Of course it's easy for her to peel an orange. And even, no way, open a can? Unbelievable! I can't do that with nails like these. Who needs recipes anyway? I'll just order delivery. I really want to have some soda. Just one question. How can I open the can? Need some help? Thanks. But the blue-eyed girl can't solve this problem either. Her nails are too long. She can't open the can without ruining her manicure. Her nails are so fragile. What should we do? Out of my way, ladies! My manly manicure will save the day. Here you go, Little Miss Claus. Did you like our nail ideas? Then comment below and tell us how long your nails are. Demonically long or childishly short? And And don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos about nail problems from Troom.